Hi, I'm Nick Isles, Product Owner and Director at AssertThat. Thank you for installing AssertThat's BDD and Cucumber plugin for Jira. In this video, we're going to cover the first few steps after installing the plugin. We'll cover how to enable the plugin for a project, importing features so you can easily migrate. We'll also show some of the cool autocomplete and time-saving features when writing scenarios. We'll also show you how to link features to user stories. After installing the plugin, you will need to enable it for your project. This is done by going to the project settings and then the AssertThat configuration page. When the plugin has been enabled, you're presented with a few other options. Firstly, around how to enable syntax validation for automated and manual scenarios. You'll also be presented with information on how to integrate with your automated frameworks, the project ID, access key and the secret token. When you generate the secret token, make a copy of it because it will be regenerated next time you click on that button. Okay. You'll also be able to select what language you want to deal with. Currently we support English, Spanish, German, French and Portuguese. Now the plugin has been enabled, you'll be able to see the Features tab, which is where we will spend a lot of our time writing and managing our features and scenarios. If you have an existing set of features you'd like to import, this can be easily done by uploading the features. Simply select your features, either by opening them or dragging and dropping them, and they will be imported. We also have an option here to override existing. This is really useful for when you want to update existing features which are loaded into the plugin. So now we've got some features loaded, we can start having a look at the main components. On this page it displays all the features within the project. You can see the feature name and description, and also the little numbers here refer to the number of manual and automated tests within that feature file. AssertThat's feature page allows you to easily create and update your scenarios. Within each feature you can create feature description, background details and steps. Scenario details can be updated, including specifying whether the scenario is manual or automated. This is useful for when you are viewing the scenarios in the issue view and downloading your scenarios for execution within your test frameworks. To add tags, very simply, update them, type them in. You can link the scenarios to defects or to user stories and view the features and scenarios against that user story, which we'll show you next. We've also got some great functionality to allow you to reuse your steps so that you don't end up typing out the same step again and again and getting it slightly different. To do this, start typing the step, use the Control Space shortcut, and it will list all of the steps which has the word scenario in there. Also, through toggle autocomplete, you can type in your keyword and it will list all of the steps that has the keyword in, and then simply drag and drop those across.